Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to show you guys a short tutorial on how to remove this sticky. It was a price tag that was on there, but my wife just peeled it off, so there are some of the glues on there still, so it's very sticky. And normally I like to heat up that price tag with the hair dryer and melt down the glue so it's easy to remove it. But I guess she was in a hurry or rush and just peel it off and try to wash it and then use it right away. So today I'm going to use this one. This is the glue gun, and you just spray on this and then let it sit for a little bit. And then after that, you just need to wipe it off, then that's it, okay? So we're going to be back and then try to wipe this thing out and show you guys afterward, all right? So we'll be back. Simple as that. Voila. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.